Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting into something super exciting. It's the diamond fluffy twist without using extension. Yes, we're working on natural hair and serving volume, definition and fluffiness all in one style. So if you love twist but don't want the weight of added hair, this is perfect for you. I am breaking down all you need to know, from how to part your hair, the best twisting method, what product to use, and tips to make them last. So grab all you need, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Let's take a moment to admire this beautiful natural hair. If you love what you see right there, drop your favorite emoji in the comments. Alright, let's get into parting. Pay close attention to how I am sectioning the hair. It is very important for you to see sectioning it, and this is exactly what it should look like when you are done parting: the upside down V and a straight middle part. So I am done with the first set of twists, and if you can look closely, you can see I'm parting it diagonally. So you're going to do this until you get to the last set of twists. So you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about as the video proceeds. Alright, let's get into the fun part, which is the twisting. So I'm going to be showing you three different type of twists, or let me say method of twist, because I'm going to be showing you twists with product in it and twist with no product in it, and also just regular two-strand twist. So I'm doing this to let you see the difference between having product in your twist and also having no product. You will also see the difference between loose twist like this and also tight twist. Can you see how that turned out? It looks so nice and amazing. So let's get into the second type of twist method that I'm going to show you. This is with no product in it. So that's what it looks like with no products in it. It still turned out fluffy, right? This is the third method of twisting. You're going to see exactly what the difference is with twisting loose and twisting tight, because this is going to be a tight twist. So you see what I'm talking about. Can you see how it turned out? This is to show you that the way at which you twist matters a lot for your twist to come out fluffy and look amazing. Let's repair the last twist. I'm showing you this so as to let you know that it can still be repaired, and also the twisting pattern. Look closely at what I am doing. The twist pattern is going to make that twist bounce back and look like every other twist. Can you see what we have right there? If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So let's get into the front part. Remember I said earlier, diagonal parting is what gives you that diamond shape that we are looking for, right? So we're going to repeat the same process here, but we're going to do it different because it's in the front. So I'm going to be doing like diagonally but slanted. So I want you to watch closely so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now that the twists are done, let's talk about styling. You can rock them down. You can also rock them in different fun ways to switch it up, okay? Like you can do half up, half down. You can put in an eye bond. You can side sweep twist. You can put headband and accessories. You can just do it in so many ways. Like it's so amazing. Like look at those parts. Like it's giving what it should give. So guys, that's the amazing diamond fluffy twist. This is how you achieve it, and this is how it looks: lightweight, natural. Like it's an amazing protective style to look into. So what do you think? Are you trying this style? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorial videos on this channel. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye.